Hello YouTube! In this video, we are going to install and configure Apache Server program to our instance. The installation itself is very straightforward. You just need to type sudo apt install apache 2 and hit enter. The installation does not take too long. After this process, we get into etc apache 2 sites available folder. Here, we copy the default 000 configuration file into another file with our app name. For example, I copy it into pandapera.conf file. Then we start editing the newly created file. First of all, we set the server name to our domain name. For me, it is pandapera.com. Since we created a record with 3 W's, we also set an alias using server alias method. I am going to leave server admin as it is, but you might want to add your email in case someone needs to reach you. As the fourth line of code, we set the DocumentRoot to the public folder of our Rails app. I enter home Ubuntu Pandapera public. If you have followed all of the tutorial, you can enter the same root and just change the app name. Finally, we create a directory tag including our DocumentRoot within quotes. In this tag, we enter 2 lines. 1. Options FollowSymLinks. 2. Require all granted. At the end, we close the directory tag and save the file. After exiting the editor, go back to the Ubuntu user folder. Here, we first dissite the default configuration using a2 dissite command, and then we nsite our application configuration with a2 nsite command. In order for these settings to work, we must restart the Apache. We do this by typing sudo service apache2 restart. If you want to check whether your server is working okay, you can do so via sudo systemctl status apache2 command. In the next video, we will install Fusion Passenger to complete our server.